We are about juicy news, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. And already, Bremo. Wontumi lawyer Morris Ampaw. One who says semi efa Otumfuo and sema one di Atubia. The nina Bremo. Jama Wontumi. Obe responded to and sema ekoso na wadi and sema tuja. Mesa so the lawyer Morris Ampaw. Ni sema okokan or Wontumi TV. The nina Bremo. Na ansana and somewhere in Abebano. Mesa say. So we can subscribe to the channel now. Message say over subscribe. The obey say over click it subscribe button. Now wabele notification. We had this video for be upload no. Also was be. I feel we are now like video no my thumbs up. Now fee or share one share video no ma afoforo so enye bi na won hwe. Afi yenko seminim. Now no Wontumi de ensembi Akoto na no ye Ashanti youth group B wanebo anyo sansem no so ema wanebe ye press conference I want to declare Wontumi persona non grata say he is not welcome when he yan wo eye Asantehene honum na nsem ni nyina say wani susu say Wontumi ko ka say ono obi wate ono ani kingdom eye sa kingdom no wo ono ani eye the police for any military sa kingdom that sa kingdom sim within the Ashanti kingdom na no na ye babunibu anyo so wan chese Wontumi baboti na o me pacho na no na ye Asantehene Traditional Council for so wan say wana sama Wontumi womra na wo me chechere sim nsem o de tudwa no wan omra sa so na ye lawyer Morris Ampaw so de nsem bi abetudwa fa ye Asantehene Traditional ahemfo awode wo Ashanti region no Otumfuo ho eno so wana sama na say womra na wo me fesi wo na no na ye MPP for penifo ne bi wane bu wane kitem se ne ye ko Kumasi Traditional Council for ho na ye ne wono akodi nkomo na no na wane wo tudwa se Wontumi ne ho edodo no na chese wane chese Wontumi entiapo na nipa wane ko ye no General Secretary Kodia Justin Kodia Frimpong any national youth organizer na nabi na wane ko hia penifo a wane tudwa se Wontumi eho endodo no na brepem no wane de ne beba na no na Kumasi Traditional Council for that year the oti hoche mukura mode monfa no emra na wo mecheche sem de ntia o ka sansem no na eno lawyer Morris Ampaw ono so eba bontin ebe defendi Wontumi sa kingdom hunsemi oba be cheche mu be kan sem be etutu bi mane Asantehene ahemfo wane wo Ashanti region what they say odike eba be kan sem bebre efa mo ba mo ka se won twin sa be pim na odike antwe sa sem no ansan wase yenhwe twini Jonas etena botimem edidi Otumfuo atem sa so na ye Kevin Taylor so edidi Otumfuo atem ni nyina na mo hefa mwantimi anka ho hwe ene lawyer Morris Ampaw wo tutu bi mane ye ahemfunu pa kan sem bibre mi ni nyina bremo na nsem we nyina ekoso no ene ye chema Wontumi ababontin apeka nsem our be reply chese de ekoso no ono aba okotena na ye ni TV radio station ema wode ensem etudwa na yenhwe ni nsem no ansa na mede lawyer Morris Ampaw ni nsem okokeka ye no beba no yenhwe Wontumi ni nsem a wode tudwa abra sanse we nyina ekoso na our story say I respect Otumfuo I can't insult him Wontumi chese owo de ndidi ba Otumfuo na nya dia obetimi edidi natem na yenhwe story say the Ashanti regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party NPP Bernard Nchibosi Chairman Wontumi has refuted claims of insulting the Asantehene Otumfuo to the second and the Asante Kingdom during the vetting of the NPP parliamentary aspirant in the region. Chairman Wontumi is reported to have made some disgusting comments about the Asantehene. Nana Kweku, chief of Kokoso and the Otumfuo Abrebohene, as well as Mensha South MPP constituency chairman Atta Tom are alleged to have lodged the official complaint to the Kumasi Traditional Council. That is ensem Wontumi kan no ene yesa ahunfuo ni sari pa me bobo mudin one day ekota Kumasi Traditional Council. But speaking on Wontumi radio, Chairman Wontumi described the allegations against him as false. That is so boy one day po Chairman Wontumi no which say no krepia eni. What was say I have a lot of respect for the Asantehene and the Ashanti Kingdom and will never do anything to run this kingdom down. Never. What I say, Owubuni and Idie Keshia, the Maya Asantehene Otumfuo say to any Ashanti Kingdom. The Nadia will be when an intia. All these allegations are not true. Just as well, when born in some amount for Kasa kingdom, or also any kingdom, not as in the Caribbean, any they are pure lies. I say, I cannot do that. Anybody who wishes to lie can do it. I say, on what means, and I will also draw the well which made you draw. The Kumasi Traditional Council on January 22nd summoned Bernard over the alleged derogatory remarks he made against the Asantehene. The council asked the leadership of the MPP to ensure Mr. Boakye appeared before it next week to answer questions on comment he reportedly made during the vetting of the parliamentary aspirant. Not just say, good to me, some of Abra one year vetting of the parliamentary aspirant, and one day one someone said, Womra, now one major journey in Simu. Nanuna, Justin Kodia, a year General Secretary MPP, any national youth organizer, a year. Nabi Henry Nana Boakye one copy warrior traditional council for name. Our say Wontumi which mukura one infano emra. Na sanse we air kosono and a lawyer Morris Ampaw copy warrior Wontumi TV. Then when I watch it and sebu award to be the man who watches a Chini Jonas, Kevin Taylor wanted to try social media so can send be brave, thinking of ecosystem. What to my the went to Yanka oneself. Sabrina ye lawyer Morris Ampaw now would defend Wontumi who said me. Na no kwakeka asanse bu nyina na yesemre no yenti eye ensem aye lawyer Morris Ampaw wode tudwa efa eye Wontumi hu ne eye asante ahemfo awane wo eye Ashanti region eni eye odike ensem a odike ekaka aye nyina no yenti eye lawyer Morris Ampaw ne ensem a wode etudwa yeti no
Chama Wontumi is an institution. There has to be an institution now. He needs to be studied. Wontumiology. Chama Wontumi is an institution. There has to be an institution now. He needs to be studied. Wontumiology. Wontumi-ology. And I mean that the man. It's a man who says, but I want to be. Chairman will say, "Oh yeah, a kingdom." He can't fight as something. You know, he is talking about short Ashanti region. Every MPP party member. We don't care whether you're a regional minister. We don't care whether you are the minister, whether you're a deputy, whether you're a CEO, whether you are from Faster House, whether you occupy any position in the party. In the Ashanti region, Chairman Wontumi is the political kingdom. He rules politically over MPP. That's why he doesn't rule over Ashantis. But see, NPP party that Chairman Wontumi is as chairman. It is somebody named veteran. No, catch yourself. He has a kingdom. It's a political kingdom he's talking about. He doesn't bring Otumfuo in. And that political kingdom of Chairman Wontumi is subject to be the kingdom of Otumfuo. So where lies this issue of Asantehene? You see, you want to drag Asantehene to petty party politics. Asantehene will not go there. The man is bigger. And your name across Asantehene, na nimdia Asantehene wo, and a Jume that also no, and you politics are more yellow. Na munim, you don't know your real enemies. Which are Ashanti youth, munim real enemies are, mun fight teacher man to me. You are enemies of the MPP. Mun all regional chairman. At this election year, I saw your peace of mind. Now, boom, na mo frame mo common enemy which is NDC no moti ho na sika no ko feel pettiness. I be general press conference calling on Chairman Wontumi to ban it from going to where is the chief palace of the Modia. Every Ashanti ni bia ya wonu bia no have access to Otumfuo. Even Ashanti kraja ahoho kra pono etwembe Otumfuo. Yes, Ashanti idiot ahoho. Who can ban who in Ashanti region without the blessings of the gods? I always say, yes, sorry, can you ban who be say, monk of 2 4 Ade, Bonnie Ben, a chairman to Nayamu, Warija, Bonnie Ben, yet he had no decay or decay at radio stations. I was she a info, I was Ashanti region. And the 2 for them, I'm to be a Mukaya. Take action. The code number. Back. He's free. Otikedio galamsey to Asante region, Asante chiefs, Obia so kudi Otumfuo, or so Otumfuo ne coordinate. Man yashi, man to me man kashi. Man chena boa, man to man when any more damning. Odike can radio station in several radio station and oko back no oko akra ko repeat here or so chin say ne or chin and pass one chance up to now. Then I'm to be here no. Yet to memu and a Captain Smart did Otumfuo na Asantehene them. Then I'm to be here no. Yet look, some of the videos I don't want to play it. Yet to memu and a Kevin Teller it did Otumfuo them. Did Asantehene them? Currently, our video on social media or say Otumfuo to be in the free was Otumfuo through Wontumi. Is it not an insult? Can you tell I don't want to play it. In some phone, can you tell I can't video no more? Me personally, I go for that in some phone on the platform. So, children us the words are Owusu for on Asantehene, unbeatable words. I can't repeat it on my platform. I can't. Or David, they don't care. Social media, Asantehene in person, and he said, has come under attack. They more sing, you want Asante roof. Any so-called media houses. You Asantehene able for show. You are not even defending Otumfuo on social media. Even when the man is sorry, see Otumfuo can move a ding. Boni bena Wontumi aye. But when Wontumi na wetrasia, what bo to for dia omba. Nipa say menka ya. What's the problem? Maka menka ya, what's the problem? Sabi nipa o kasa wo obi ani ma no mbu no. Nia Kevin Teller ni chidi don na small any nyama mo ye on social media no about Otumfuo nim directly. They insult Otumfuo munka hwe. Stupid propaganda. Propaganda nyanse nimu demonic and vampires. Mon pecha ba Wontumi asemite no. Yenfa no ko Otumfuo ne kuku. Na mo hontomo. Na stupid Ashanti youth group. Mo me ba mo so. Mu need this group promote you. I think say you need a small problem. Mu nim dia mo ye. Then na po any the crop for anti maximum mushishi and I Kennedy Agyapong mushishi just because Chairman Wontumi it told the weight to Baumia. Chairman Wontumi is a baby ojina. Chairman Wontumi ehu ye and then Jamu Wontumi no. Nyamu bi eye Wontumi no. And I'm with that flow 2-4 and I feel for no call then I am. I him for now more drag you 2-4 away Wontumi no I am. Most of the problems they I him for muti Kumasi da Otumfuo ne mokasa away for corona mubo muto Asante muti Ashanti chiefs mo him for mo Ashanti regional problems any nyama mudi yi Otumfuo ka bre Asantehene mo ahayfuru bi mo ya konfo mo tumi ton asase manipa bako minu miensa ediamanfo sika awiamanfo girls awiamanfo yeremu nyama muti Asante region ahayfuru bi ayetu galamsey insamoni amudi wo Asante region no mawie na mo be fa Chairman Wontumi awaka Chairman Wontumi asam. What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is that? Nyama mudi yi Otumfuo debi Otumfuo be shamu ni yetu obi na yetunu. How? This last year alone, trying for Otumfuo etu omo. Debi Otumfuo be shamu ni osi mugu ni mase. Nyesada mugu na no Otumfuo is worried about your behavior. Na mutiona politicians yamwadia na mo de mo afrem FF Chairman Wontumi obede na Chairman Wontumi ba na na botu mayero mo kuna na mo be jeni na wo
yo tifo meka say jisini so na wo hwe no say wunya subscribe ya be say o be subscribe no like na wa share video no wo so betimi a kire wadwen afa ensem we nyina ho e wo comment box ni mo bete me interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.